This video goes out to all kids named Amanda. And if you're a boy named Amanda, that's tough. I'll pray for you. Whenever we're gonna learn about multiplying whole numbers and fractions. Okay, so start conceptually. Whenever you multiply two numbers, let's say 4 times 2, we know that it's just adding those numbers that amount of times. So in this case, we could say that this is 4 plus 4, you adding 4 twice, 2 times. Or you could also say it's you adding 2 4 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That's what multiplication is. And the same is true for whenever you're multiplying whole numbers against fractions. If I were to do 4 times 1 over 3, another way I could say this is 1 over 3 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. That's another way I could say this. And then I'm not going to say 4 1/3 times because that won't make sense. But yeah, I could do 1 over 3 4 times, adding 1 over 3 4 times, which would be equal to, since they all have the same denominator, I can go 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 4, and then keep the denominator the same. And that's what 4 times 3 would be. But you also notice that it's something else. It is 4 times 1 too. Look, 4 times 1 is 4, and then over 3. And look at this. If I were to do, let's say, 3 times 2 over 7, 2 over 7 plus 2 over 7, we can just do 2 over 7 3 times. 2 over 7. If I add the 2's, 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 over 7. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. 3 times 2 is 6. And what you'll notice, so this is what I'm trying to get you to notice, that whenever you multiply a whole number against a fraction, it's the same thing as just 3 times 2 over 7 is the same thing as saying 3 times 2 over 7. What? Yeah, whenever you're multiplying whole numbers against fraction, you can just multiply the numerator by that whole number, as you can see by this. And that's how you multiply whole numbers against fractions. Good job! Yay! We did it! Bye, Amanda.